Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to yet another cool software video. Today we're going to be revisiting a topic I've already done a couple videos on, and that is game streaming. Today we'll be talking about the ultimate game streaming software as far as I can tell. I can't find anything better than it so far. It'll give you a nearly perfect experience even with bad hardware. What is it? It's called Moonlight, and there's one caveat. You need an NVIDIA GPU, no iGPU, no AMD GPU, nothing like that. You need an NVIDIA GPU, but that's the only, well, I mean, that and a couple other things, but that's the only major drawback to this software, and it's really nice. So, hey, let's get on to explaining how you use it and how good it is. So first, on the desktop kind of things, side of things, not kind of things. You're going to need to open your favorite web browser. You're going to need to search GeForce Experience, just like that. Click on the top link here. Click download now. Okay. Save it to wherever you want to, and once it's done downloading, which should be fairly quickly, 97 million years later. Okay, now it's finally downloaded, so just open it up. Open up the exe. I promise you it's safe. I mean, it's from NVIDIA, so you may or may not like NVIDIA, but you can probably trust them to not ship you malware. So it'll just go through the installation process like this. It's downloading currently. Hopefully another screen will show up so it can actually do something. Click agree and install, just like that. Preparing to install. Let's just speed this up here. Okay, once it's installed, it should launch it for you, just like that. A little pop-up will show up, sign in with NVIDIA. I'm going to log in with Google. Okay, once it's installed, it should launch it for you, just like that. A little pop-up will show up, sign in with NVIDIA. I'm going to log in with Google. Okay, login completed for me. Here we go. I can close the window. Wow. Okay. Now, just skip Start Tool right here. All your games that you have that are compatible should pop up here. Okay. Now, the most important thing here is you're going to need to go to settings, just like I did. Go to shield and allow game stream. That's very important. Okay? And then, easily enough, you can just close this. So all you need to do is open the Play Store just like that. Search for apps and games, search Moonlight. It should be right there. Click on it, click install. Pending. And now it's installing. In a second, it should be ready to open. So now click open. Now it should just say searching for PCs with game stream running, and it should automatically find your PC. Easy enough. Okay, but what if it doesn't automatically detect it just like that? Well, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to go here, search command or open command prompt, whatever other way you want to, then type in ipconfig, just like that, okay? So there will be a list of devices right here. So if it says media disconnected like that, ignore it. Same with that one. This says wireless LAN adapter, local area connection, whatever, 14. I don't need this, but I'll point out, it says the IPv4 address right here. This is going to be important, okay? But I can ignore this one. If you're using Ethernet, it should say Ethernet adapter. This is a virtual Ethernet. I don't care about that one. But it says media disconnected. So, but the one I care about right here is wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi 6. This is my current Wi-Fi card, okay? So now, look at the IPv4 address right here, and this is important. 192.168.86.20 for me. You'll need to remember this one, okay? Cool. Now let's get back to the tablet. Okay, so first of all, you want to enter your IP address, just like I'm doing right here. Your IP address is the thing you found back in the last part I showed you. So it should say manually connecting to your PC. Okay? So here's this. It should say pairing. Please enter the following pin on the target PC. Okay? So here's how you do it. Something should just pop up on your PC, and you click connect, just like that, and then it should refresh itself and show you your app list. And these are the games that are pre-configured, so you can just play them easily. And hey, that's about it for now. But now let's get on to the meat of this app here. So we're gonna play Stardew Valley, and we're gonna see how it is. So the first thing you'll notice is these touch controls right here, okay? So these touch controls aren't great. You can configure them a little bit, but generally they're not the most customizable or the best touch controls you'll ever see. But other from that, this thing is pretty cool. So you'll notice there's pretty okay color accuracy, maybe not quite as good as you'll see on the actual screen, but very much acceptable. And you can tell almost already that there's no lag. It'll be easier to see that though when I actually get out of bed. So here we go. Here I am in my house, and you see there's no lag. This feels like native. This feels like I'm actually playing on the computer itself, even though I'm on Wi-Fi on both ends. Okay, and if it was good Wi-Fi on both ends, things might be even better. But my tablet has bad Wi-Fi, so whatever. You'll always get better performance if you're either on Ethernet or on better Wi-Fi. But this, I think, is pretty much as good as it's gonna get. Here I am struggling with the touch controls and trying to go into my inventory and do some stuff. Okay, I'm just trying to move things around, maybe, possibly. Okay, inventory, finally. I'm gonna attempt to do stuff here. I think I'm gonna try to move my, sword up here. Boom. Yes. 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 Did I just throw that away? No, I didn't. Okay, it's good. It's good. Wow, I'm sorry for the tediousness of this, but it's just. But you did notice in that inventory that there was basically no lag whatsoever, so that's pretty epic. Okay, so let us go upstairs, north, whatever, to the community center. Wait, yeah, I'm just gonna show you my sword, how it cuts and how there's no lag whatsoever. So now let's go up into the community center. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so I'm just gonna go into here, and then I think I'll get to the ending of this video. So what do I think about Moonlight? I think it's phenomenal. The only thing that I miss about Steam Link is the touch controls. Those were so good. And the Moonlight ones are only adequate. But perfect streaming quality. There's nothing else like it. I mean, the fact that you have to own an NVIDIA GPU is kind of sad. But let's face it, how many gamers don't? I mean, AMD GPUs. You know what? I take that back. AMD GPUs are popular. But I would say probably a large majority of gamers own an NVIDIA GPU. I don't know how large, but I would say a large majority do. For those, I mean, I have a friend who owns an AMD GPU, so he can't use this, but he wasn't planning on it anyway, so it's fine. But I don't know what I can say about this. This is just a really, really nice software. Perfect streaming, even with bad Wi-Fi. I don't even know. I mean, our Wi-Fi isn't terrible. It's pretty adequate. But I don't know what I can say other than it's pretty perfect. You get like that native feel, like you're natively playing on a computer, except you're not. Touch controls could be better, but maybe they'll improve those. I don't know. So anyway, in conclusion, it's pretty epic. I hope this video is useful to you. I hope you enjoyed it. So, have a nice day. Goodbye.